to a port which has got some warnings about these stowaways coming on board, the agent should inform us about these conditions that this port is liable to have stowaways which can come on board. And prying entering to this port, masters should ensure that all doors and hatchways are secured, fastened, and locked. If necessary, are not needed for regular access, welded shut.
Should start like this. First thing is, what is stowaway? Stowaway is something like anybody who is coming on your ship illegally. So generally, why people will come illegally on ship? Because they want to go from one country to other country, because
without
like chori
documents.
say or something, so
Yes,
that like poor countries, many mostly you find from Africa, they want to go to, if your ship is going to Europe, US or somewhere like this. So that's that time, especially from Africa, this is a problem mostly of stowaways. You find so many small boats every year going from in one small boat with the capacity of 10 people. You'll find 100 Africans just going and trying to leave from Africa. And because of there are so many reasons, poverty and insecurity and food and all, and they want to go to countries like Europe and all and go and do some money illegally. So that is your stowaway. So now if anybody is illegal on your ship, first there are some points, like of course they can be very dangerous because these Africans are like quite strong also, and many times they are malnutritioned, so they don't, their mind is also not that much developed, and they are very hungry or something, so they can attack you, they might have weapons. So these are the things you should have procedure, and you should have some idea from where and why stowaways can board, and they can hide on radar or some places that we will see, and also how to treat with them. And 95% of the countries, if you report to them that there is a stowaway on your ship, they will not accept, and they will keep like Indian system, they will keep like tarkaing, okay, you send, land him in another port, land him in another port, and like that maybe lifetime, your stowaway will become a permanent citizen on board. So that's what practically happens. So these are the things you should know and be very careful. Of course, it depends on company and countries and relations. So many things are there. So, okay, you can.
or we if we are at anchor, we should take preventive measures to avoid stowaways coming on board. So we should ensure at anchor we should ensure that the hose pipe are fitted and secured all time when the anchor cable is not being heaved or paid out. If no hose pipe covers are fitted, the anchor was can be left running to prevent person climbing at the anchor cable. The anchor floodlight should be set as to illuminate the area surrounding the vessel in the port. The offside of the vessel should be lightened so that approaches by unauthorized boat can be directed as early as possible. Pilot ladders, once their use is complete, should be recovered on board and stored. They should not be left over the side unattended. An accommodation ladder or gangway needs to be manned by the duty watchkeeping ratings at all times, whilst alongside to ensure that unwanted person do not board the vessel. If the watchkeeper needs to leave the gangway accommodation ladder and cannot be relieved by another crew member, the gangway accommodation ladder should, if possible, be lifted clear of the wharf to prevent unauthorized person boarding. Lockers, stores, entrances that are not required for accommodation access or cargo operations should be kept locked. Accommodation superstructure access should be limited to one or two doors. The remaining doors should be locked from inside using suitable means to ensure that they can be easily opened from the inside in the event of any emergency. Vent, trunkings, and other voids and other accesses should be secured by any means available, like using wire mesh and grills to secure all the vent trunks. And so, when necessary, additional people should be posted on the seaside of the ship to avoid any kind of breaching of the security from the boats coming alongside, or people trying to get on board without any authorities or something. So we should post additional lookouts in such a port. We should, and when on completion of cargo, we should thoroughly check all the cargo compartments and check whether all the gangway, all the people from the shore who came on board to do their cargo operations have left or not. If we should take all preventive measures to we should take all preventive measures to check that there is no kind of unauthorized entry into the cargo spaces while the cargo operations were going on. And as commence master are limited to their ability to deviate from the intended voyage. Should a master, sir, we should always carry out stowaway search and should properly
Yeah, you should do search as per the checklist and company requirement. And many places where they are
places.
chances of
Up,
stowaways,
yes,
they come and
we
do
should we
checks,
should
stowaway search with this dogs and all, sniffer dogs who have a very good sense of smell.
all these preventive measures to avoid stowage getting on board, sir. That's all from my side.
Yeah.